We've now unboxed the unit, and as you can see, this unit is very big. It comes with all the kit. You've got the instruction manuals here, and all the accessories. There's quite a few accessories in there. There's also I believe this, is that a temperature sensor? I think that's the temperature sensor there. You've got all the connections on the bottom here. This is obviously the solar charger here with the output cables. It's a bit of a beast. So that's the solar charger mounted in there, and that's the VE direct that goes all the way up inside to communicate with the whole module. So you've got the solar input here on the MC4s. You've got two inputs, 1 and 2, solar 1 and 2. And you've got all the nice stuffing glands and very nice accessories to get all your cables inside there. And going on the top, you've got the input here, which is 63 amps. It's a C-type, which is nice and big for any inrush current. So you've got 63 input, and then you've got these various outputs. You've got AC 1, and then you've got 1B, 1C, and then you've got 1D and AC 2 out. Okay, so some of these are C-type breakers as well, which is good. In fact, they're all C-type breakers. You've got C16, C16, C10. There's another C10 and the other 16. So you can quite happily use these for radio circuits, say upstairs sockets, downstairs sockets, downstairs lighting, upstairs lighting, and then an auxiliary here. And then overall controlling those back from that. So that's the input, that's the output, and the output then goes to these individual 5 breakers. So that's the whole system. It's obviously 24 volts for your battery bank. So the solar power goes in, the mains goes in, and it will charge at 24 volts to your battery bank. So you need to build a 24 volt battery bank. It's also a 3000 watt inverter and a 70 amp charger. Now this is the colour display, which is controls all the whole unit. You can get these separate. They're £500, so this is why this unit is a very good price, because you're getting the controller, which is normally £500. You get the solar inverter down here, solar MPPT, which is normally a good £500 to £700. About £500, and then obviously you get the 3 kilowatt inverter, which can be £1,000 to £1,500. So this overall is a very nice unit. It's big, and obviously you can run these in parallel. It'd be nice to have 2 of these eventually running, and then just run them in parallel to a fuse board. Or for my house, you could have one for downstairs, another one for upstairs. It's quite an expensive way of doing that, and then have 2 separate battery banks, say 8 panels on one, 8 panels on another, which would be quite cool. They'll all be paralleled if there was to do that anyway, but this is just going to for now run a fuse board for down and a fuse board for upstairs. Okay, that's me over and done on the Victron Easy solar charger.